These are the top things that you have to consider if you're trading the market. You're trading stocks, you're trading crypto,
Right.
whatever. All right. You got to consider these things. Let's jump right into it. I'm your co host, HT.
I'm CD Barnes.
And of course, this is the League of Hustlers where we prepare to prosper. Jumping right into it. All right. Things to consider trading styles. All right. Let's go ahead and start it up, bro.
Yeah, man. So number one, right? Um, as of today's date, right? March 18th, 2024. That's the time of this recording. We're in the 2024 crypto bull run has been kicked off, right? We got the Bitcoin halving coming up. A lot of speculation on what
Right.
coins are gonna do what and this, that, and the third. But here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. We could be making money all the time in these markets, whether it's a bull run, whether it's a bear market, whether you in crypto, whether you're in the stocks or whatever, as
Right.
long as you actually know how to trade. And so that's what we were talking about basically is trading. I think the skill set in itself is more valuable than just basically trying to win the lottery and pick a moonshot coin
Right.
and hoping that this coin goes to the moon or not. This is something that's repeatable over the course of years. Some people actually do this as their career. What do you
Get
do for a
to it,
living?
man. Let's jump
I'm
in,
a
bro.
day trader. This is what I do. I trade.
Yeah.
So what we talking about is basically like, all right, well, what are the different trading styles, right?
Right.
So number one, we got scalping.
Okay.
All right, short term time frame. Um, this is basically every day you're looking like almost constantly, right? Your holding time could be minutes. The chart interval analysis. This is like the time frame on the charts. You're looking at the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and you're very active in this trading. Essentially, scalping is like you're looking to catch 1%, two
Right.
percent 3%. You're looking to catch pennies on the dollar essentially. Um, but don't try to act like this 2% isn't big though, right? Because if you're playing with, you know, enough money, 2% is good money,
Solid.
right?
Right.
If you got $100,000 in the market and you getting 2% every day, that's $2,000 a day.
Right. And so it's about those quick wins, right? Scalping.
Scalping. Yeah.
Yeah.
Get the
Next
next.
up, day trading. All right. Day trading, your time frame is same day. All right. The trading signals that you're going to be looking at is a few daily, right? And then your holding time, you're talking about hours, right? Whereas scalping, you're holding for minutes at a time. With day trading, you're holding for hours at a time. All right. So don't get into this game. I see a lot, especially last bull run. You see a lot of people trying to get into it and not fully understanding this, like not fully understanding what type of style they have. So with day
Right.
trading, you're looking at only holding for a few hours. All right. Your chart interval analysis. So you're going to be looking at your 15-minute chart, your hourly chart, and your 4-hour chart. Okay. So when you're pulling up Trading View or whatever platform you're looking at, you're going to be looking at the 15-minute, 1 hour, or 4-hour time frames. All right. And then you're going to be actively monitoring this, right? But why? Because you're looking at an hourly time frame, right? So you're only holding for hours, so you have to actively be looking at it. All right.
Right. You're constantly looking for your exit point. And of course you can set, your stop losses, right? And your sell points and everything. You can set that
Right.
stuff up automatically. But next up, swing trading. Similar to day trading, and some of your swings could occur in a day, but it could also occur over a few days or even a week or so, right? And so this is more like a medium term investment. You're looking for your signals to occur within the weeks. You're looking at a longer time frame on the charts. You're looking at the 1 day chart, the 4 hours, the 1 hour. Um, your holding time, again, it could be days, it could be weeks. and this is more moderate activity. You may not, you're not going to be sitting watching it. You could, but not. You're not going to be sitting watching this chart minute by minute, hour by hour. You could be waiting for your setup to unfold over the course of a day or a couple days or even a week,
Right.
right? And so that's pretty much swing trading.
Yeah, and then with the position style of trading, this is your long-term time frame. All right. And you're only doing so your signals, you're looking for the signals on the monthly or the yearly. All right. This is long-term, think long-term type of plays. Right? You're holding for months or even years. Okay. And then you're looking at the intervals of days, weeks, and months. All right, so you ain't looking at your chart, you're looking at days, weeks, and months. And then you're rarely actively monitoring these. Why? Because if you look at it too long, you'll get scared. All right. And then you'll pull your money out, you put it somewhere you're not supposed to put it, or you'll pull it out at a time that you're not supposed to pull it out. All right. So think long term. Think your buy and holds. Like if you're using Acorns or Robinhood and stuff like that. Any of these could work with any of those, but for your long-term positions, you're just gonna hold them much more longer. All right. So cut those alerts off. All right. Do not sit there and watch these charts. So the big question is which one of these styles are you, right? Which one fits you the best? If you're thinking about trading, right? Trading is a huge market. There's tons of stuff to learn. I'm learning it now. Been playing with it for a while. But the question is, what style fits you the best? All right. And just keep that in mind and stick to it. Now, I would say for me, I'm more of like a swing trader, right? Because I'm not the type of person that'll sit there and, watch it all day long. I got stuff to do. You know what I mean? But I'm also like that position style as well. So that long position as well. And I would say that most people should fall definitely under the position, right? When you say 40?
Yeah, I think you want to take or not financial advice,
Right.
but most people they find themselves where they're in kind of a hybrid mode, right? You may
Yeah.
take, let's say you have $1,000, right? You may take 60% of that. So you may take $600 and put it in long-term positions. And then you may take the other $400 and decide that you're going to trade with the 400. And
Right.
so that could be, on whatever time frame you like, swing whether that is you're a day trader, you're a scalper, you're doing this thing about a minute, or whether you're going in and out a few days to a week, you're a swing trader.
Right.
So I think for the most part, people usually have a hybrid approach of, position trading and then, one other time frame that's shorter,
Yeah.
like scalping or swing or day trading. So
Yep. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Trading styles, right? If you're into it, or if you're just starting out, think about your style. Think about what works best for you. Hope this video helped. This has been another episode of the League of Hustlers, man. Hit that like button, smash the like button if you don't mind. And you know, holler at us if you need some help. Let's get it, let's go and follow for more. Cheers.